Glob exclude pattern. I have a directory with a bunch of files inside, EE2314, ASD3442, and F. I want to exclude all files that start with F with the glob function. How can I do it?
You can't exclude patterns with the glob function. Globs only allow for inclusion patterns. Globbing syntax is very limited, even a character class must match a character. So it is an inclusion pattern for every character that is not in the class. You'll have to do your own filtering. A list comprehension usually works nicely here.
You can deduct sets and cast it back as a list.
Late to the game, but you could alternatively just apply a Python filter to the result of a glob. Or replacing a lambda with an appropriate reject search, etc. Edit, I just realized that if you're using full paths the starts with won't work, so you'd need a regex.
The pattern rules for Glob are not regular expressions. Instead, they follow standard Unix path expansion rules. There are only a few special characters, 2 different wildcards, and character ranges are supported, from PyMo to Glob file name pattern matching. So you can exclude some files with patterns. For example, to exclude manifest files starting with _ with Glob you can use.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.